In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Hubstaff. If you need to safely sign out of your Hubstaff account, the process is very quick and simple. Logging out is useful when you're finished working, especially if you're using a shared computer or you just want to make sure your account stays secure. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can log out without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into Hubstaff and looking at the main dashboard or app screen. Take a look toward the upper right area of the screen. Near your profile section, you should see a small person icon. This is typically the account or user menu, and it gives you access to account-related options. Go ahead and click on that small person icon. When you select it, a menu should appear with different account options. If you don't see the menu right away, just click carefully once and wait a moment for it to open. This menu is where Hubstaff keeps actions related to your profile and session. From that menu, look for the option that says Sign Out. Once you find it, click on Sign Out to log out of your account. After clicking, Hubstaff should end your current session and take you back to the login screen or out of the workspace. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Hubstaff. As a helpful tip, always make sure you fully log out if you're on a public or shared device. That extra step helps protect your time data, account information, and workspace access. If the page doesn't seem to respond after clicking Sign Out, give it a second to load, or refresh the page and try again. In some cases, app layouts can look slightly different depending on whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, but the logout option is generally still found through the account or person icon in the top right area. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to log out in Hubstaff quickly and easily.